Hi all of you. How are you all? I'm fine, and today we are going to learn sound at. Okay? At words. So, can you tell me what are the at words? At words. At. So, I will show you what are the at words. Right? You have to read with teacher. Right. B at bat. B at bat. B at bat. Right. Next word. K at cat. K at cat. Cat. This one. H at hat. H at hat. Okay. So what's the next? This is the next one. At mat. At mat. Okay. Open your mouth and say loudly. At mat. Next one. At rat. At rat. Rat. Okay. Now you saw what are the at words. Now I will show again. Right. Okay. Look at at. 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 Hat. K at cat. At mat. At fat. Fat. Mahatha. Fat. Next one. At rat. Okay, all. So let's see. Oh, what you can see here. Who is this? Huh? Where is it? Where is it? A rat. A rat. Okay, say loudly, Puthe. A rat in a hat. A rat in a hat. In mean atule. In mean atule. In. Where is the rat? A rat in a hat. In a hat. Look at the next picture. Where is the cat? Oh, a cat on a mat. On a mat. A cat on a mat. Uda. Mat eka uda. So where is the cat? A cat on a mat. Okay, these are the at sounds. So now you saw how to say at family. At family. So at family, what are the pictures? B at bat. M at mat. K at cat. R at rat. F at fat. Okay. These are the at sounds. At family. Okay. I think you will enjoy this, right? Okay. Next day we will learn and family. And family. Okay. Please be ready with that. Okay. Okay. Bye.